Hi everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about present perfect continuous tense. This tense is pretty simple and it is used in two situations. We will discuss about them one by one. Let's begin. The first use of the tense is to talk about actions which started in the past and are continuing in the present. For example, she has been waiting for you. Or, I have been working on this report since 8 o'clock in the morning. The second situation in which the present perfect continuous tense is used is when the action has just finished. For example, she has been cooking all night. She's not cooking right now. When I say this sentence, it basically means that she was cooking for quite a while, all night, but right now the food is prepared and is ready to be served. Another example could be, it has been raining. It is not raining right now, but because the streets are wet, it has just stopped raining, like just recently. So we can use present perfect continuous tense in this situation. This is all about present perfect continuous tense. As I said, this tense is pretty simple compared to present continuous and present perfect tense. And with this, we have also come to the end of discussing all the parts of present tense, that is present simple, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. I hope you will no more face any difficulty to use these tenses and understand these tenses, of course. So share this video with those who it might help. Don't forget to check the description box below. I'll put down the link to the quiz related to present tense in total so that you can assess your own understanding of the tense. Enjoy doing that. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.